All right, now we have a screen like this, and we need it, we want it, we are looking at it, so we want to get exactly plain screen like this so that you'll be able to analyze and do some trading, whatever you want to do. So now the first thing we have to do is we need to clear out all this noise. These are the news, the watch list. If you're the type of people that read that trade news and every other thing, you can actually make use of some of the thing here. But for the sake of analysis, we of technical analysis, I think we need to make this chart a very clean chart so that we can make good use of it. What we do here, first of all, I'm going to right click on my mouse, come down to setting, because I want to remove all these the grids, all these grids that are around here. So I'll come down to scale. First, okay, let me turn off the visible mouse. Always invisible, always invincible. Just that. All right. Come down to, let me come to this grid you see there. So I'm gonna turn it off. That is none of it. That is when you see, you can see there's all the grid in this section is out. We have no grid in this part here. And now we come to this background. Let's go ahead and, okay, click OK. Now we are going to go ahead to change our background here first. All this we are going to take it out and arrange the system very well. All right, come here and, okay, this is the background solid. Now I'm going to come to this, and I have a settings I use. And all right, now there's some brief kind of settings you can actually use. You can actually set it a kind of light ash color here, and kind of light ash color, you see. So when that is done, you, that is the hash color, can come in here. You see, this is how the screen looks like, but you can make it a little bit lighter than this depending on how your eyes is. Actually, if you have some issues in your eyes, you can actually dim it a bit depending on how you want it. So like for me, I think I'm okay with this. Yeah, okay with, I'm okay with this. I don't need watermark, so I can go ahead and click on OK. Now we cut this out. Now you can look at this red candle here. I can, you double click on it. Now the body of the candle, you have the body of the candle, the border and the wick. The border, all of them, I'm going to take it to black. This one I'll go on black. There is the wick to black, the wick, all of them black. Right, that's good. Okay, we come to the body. So I can come in, and we're also looking for a kind of hash kind of color, but not a very kind of, not that really deep, but a bit. Because what we are looking for here, that is the bullish. We are looking for the bullish candle, just like we can see it here. I use a black, the black, and this is okay for me. So you come, click OK. All right, so we have something like this. So when that is done, we have the watch list at the this corner. So I don't need a watch list, so take it out. Oh, you see, this is almost exactly the same thing we have here. Something like this. So So it's almost the same thing we have here. Oh yeah, let's continue. Let's go ahead. So you can right click this and you can take out some of these symbols here and like the charts, you can clear them out and so you can make have a very clean chart. Let this, you clear them out. With this, I think we are getting a little bit clearer chart. Since we don't need this volume, you click delete, you delete it out and it's out. And this we don't need something like this, so you clear them out and this, so take it out. So what else? So once you come to a full screen like this, once you come to a full screen, you can see the tools bar are not connected. You can see, let me show you example of what I'm talking here about. Now this these are the bars I'm talking about. These are the for technical analysis. The technical tools are not available. What you do here is you had all this, most of the things, most of the tools you are using for your analysis, you have them as a favorite, your favorite. Like this what I use, and I had it as a favorite. You can see it here, pops up. um you can actually add this dot to actually pop out too. So we have something like this too. The trend line, very important, pops out. And what again, the horizontal line, the and this and this, we need this. So we need all this. And what again do we need? All right, so we need this fib, so we need it. I don't need other things again. I think for that I need, so I link the long and the shorts. So I don't need any other one again there. Yeah, I need something here. I need the highlight, the brush, and I need the up and down arrow. I need the rectangle, I need the paths, I need the circle and the eclipse. And the ellipse, I need the ellipse here. I think I'm done with that. I can actually take the arrow too, but do I really need it? Yeah, I need it. All right, so that, so I can come to the text. I need this text, I need anchor, I need the pin,